Hello guys, this is Abhishek Panjani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I started off with my YouTube channel around 3 months ago, and today I have uploaded around 16 to 17 videos in total. Today we actually completed the big milestone of first 1000 subscribers. So, the first 1000 subscribers is really very important for our YouTube channel, and finally after 3 months of efforts we are able to reach this count. So, in order to thank all my viewers and subscribers, I thought of having some giveaways for all my viewers and subscribers. So, I contacted the Geeks for Geeks team and asked them for some giveaways. I told them that I recently started a YouTube channel and the channel is growing little well. So, if possible, I wanted to have some giveaways from your site. So, they gave me 10 coupons for the C++ STL course that they have. So before we jump to the course and the course contents and actually talk about coupon details, let's first discuss about what is C++ STL and why it is so much important. So C++ STL basically stands for Standard Template Library. So this library provides us with some very important templates that we actually use in programming. So what are the common data structures that we know? So common data structures include linked list, stacks, queues, arrays, maps, hash tables, graphs, double-ended queues, heaps, etc. So these are some of the common data structures that we come across when we actually go for competitive programming or we are appearing for an interview or a coding round. So C++ STL basically comprises of all the data structures that we talked about. So it has the list, which basically is the linked list. It has the double-ended queues, arrays. It has the queues. The priority queue is basically for the heaps. It has stack, etc. So it has all the data structures that we actually use, and all this is actually inbuilt. So whenever you are appearing for a coding round or you are appearing for a contest in competitive programming, so this C++ STL basically comes very handy because it does most of the things for you, and all you need to do is think about the logic rather than thinking about the implementation of the basic data structures that are used in that. So each and every template that is written over here has different set of functions that you can directly use without implementing them. Other than this, C++ also comprises of certain searching and sorting algorithms that you can directly use. So if you want to perform binary search, you can directly use the inbuilt function rather than writing the entire code for the binary search. If you want to sort a given array, you can directly use the inbuilt function in order to sort the array rather than writing the merge sort or any other type of sorting algorithm for this. So this is the power of C++ STL. Let's take an example in order to understand the importance of C++ STL. So you are given with a question. So in this question you are given with an array of size n comprising of n integers, and your task is to print the number of distinct elements that are present in this array. So this is basically an implementation of the hash table. So if we do not have the C++ STL, what we have to do is we have to create a hash table and find the number of distinct elements that are present in the hash table. So with the help of C++ STL, we can directly use the unordered set container in order to solve this problem. So I have inserted all the elements in the unordered set, and the number of distinct elements in the array will be equal to the number of elements that are present in the unordered set, that is the size of the set. So these are some of the inbuilt functions that C++ STL gives us. So without STL, this problem would be 100 line of code, but I am able to solve this problem in just 3 to 4 lines of code with the help of C++ STL. So now let's see about the C++ STL course that the Geeks for Geeks offers. So the course content comprises of all the different types of STL that you are actually going to use. So it comprises of pair, vectors, list, dequeue, stack, queue, priority queue, set and multiset, and all the other different types of STL that are actually used when you are actually programming. So how to actually get this course and how to make use of the coupon that I will be providing you. So in order to register for this course, all you have to do is click on this sign up button and you will be popped up with some details. So you will have to fill some details about your college and all. After that, you will click on this pay fee online option, and obviously we are not going to pay this price because we have the coupon code. So we will write the coupon code over here and proceed to pay, and you will be able to access the entire content of this course for free. So this is how you can actually use the coupon that I will be giving you. So obviously 10 coupons won't be sufficient for all of you. and I was able to get only 10 coupons for C++ STL course from Geeks for Geeks. So I don't want to disappoint any one of my viewers or subscribers. So I approached Geeks for Geeks again and I told them that I want some more coupon codes or some other solution by which I can actually serve all my viewers and subscribers. So they actually helped me and told me that I can get the access to their placement preparation course with an invitation code. So they prepared an invitation code which I can share with all of you, and you can directly get the access to that course with the help of that invitation code. So the C++ STL part is restricted to only 10 people, whereas the course that I am going to show you is available to anyone who wants to register to it with the help of the invitation code that I will be providing. So let's see what that course really is. So this is the placement preparation course that the Geeks for Geeks offers. So it comprises of 18 different tracks. This includes all the common topics that you will come across when you are programming, like maths, graphs, dynamic programming, arrays, strings, queues, stacks, etc. So it comprises of everything. Along with that, it comprises of 5 different contests which you can actually participate in, and this will help you prepare for your coding rounds. So this is the complete package that you can refer to in order to prepare for your upcoming internship and placement interviews. So I found this course very useful. I logged in and I saw the content of the course and it was very useful according to me. So in order to register for this course, all you have to do is fill all these details. So you have to fill your name, contact number, etc. Along with this, you have to fill this column called invitation code. So you have to write the invitation code that I will be providing over here, and you will be able to successfully register and see the course content. So the invitation code is same as my channel name. My channel name is CodeTillAC and all the letters are in caps. So the invitation code is CodeTillAC. So you can just use this code and see the course content. So we have 2 giveaways for you guys. One is the C++ STL course, which I can only give to 10 people, and other is the placement preparation course that is open to all. I have already shared the invitation code that you can use in order to register for the placement preparation course for free. So now let's talk about the C++ STL course and how you can actually get the coupons from me. So in order to get the coupon codes for the C++ STL course, all you need to do is connect with me on LinkedIn and drop me a message regarding why you actually need this course. Based on that, I will actually decide and will give the coupon code to 10 people. So the people who are actually able to get the coupon codes from me, what you have to do is select a video of mine that actually helped you in your preparation for your internship or placements, or a video that actually motivated you to start competitive programming, or any video that you liked from my channel, and share it on LinkedIn. Do tag me in that post. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because this will only help us grow and this will only motivate me to get more such stuff for you. So thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe.